Hello everyone, Angel here, and today we're going to be talking about confidence in pictures. Now, having our photo taken can be a pretty daunting idea, can't it? You just imagine yourself looking hideously unattractive and awkward as hell. We've all had to start somewhere with photo shoots or just having a picture or professional picture taken in general, whether you have acting headshots, corporate headshots, you just fancy doing a little shoot for a bit of confidence boosting, or you are an aspiring model. When I started modelling, I was incredibly awkward in front of the camera to begin with. I was just something like so let's get straight in there. So the first thing, and I'm just gonna suggest this first, is because it's something I've kind of recently discovered makes such a difference with pictures, and that is space between your shoulders and head. Now you want to create as much space as possible, so the reason I put my hair back is so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So this is what I'm talking about, so just relax your shoulders. And I know it's a stereotype, relax your shoulders, but it really does work. The difference is between this and this, and it's very normal for people to sort of hunch their shoulders when they're feeling tense. You know, when you get a massage done, or often if you go to the chiropractor, the first thing they say is relax your shoulders, because people just have this innate kind of tension and I've had a long day in the office or something like that. So just try create as much space as possible, and it instantly gives a confident look. Before, maybe not with that face, but after. Before, after. Takes decades off you as well. Well, not decades, but it will take at least 5 years off you. 80, 75. It just makes you look young, it makes you look youthful, it makes you look confident. Tip number 2 is having a relaxed face. So this one is the hardest thing to do. When someone shoves a camera in your face, the last thing you feel is relaxed, especially if you're not used to it. I would suggest feeling all the muscles in your face and just relax them. Start with the top of your head and work all the way down to your jaw. Relax your eyes, relax your jaw. And it doesn't matter if you open your mouth a little bit, that actually looks quite nice in a photo with a relaxed mouth and facial expression. So you might start the photo shoot looking something like, because it's sort of your default like, I'm not comfortable face, and it's an unconscious thing, you're not even aware of it, you're just projecting your emotions in your face. So relax your eyes, relax your mouth, relax your jaw, and even relax your eyebrows. Like sometimes people start frowning when they feel tense or sort of raising their eyebrows, but just relax it, and it will also make the lines go away and it will be a much more confident looking face. So to recap, before, after, relaxed. So we've got 2 tips now: relaxed shoulders, relaxed face. On fire now. Third tip is eyes. It's true what they say about the eyes being the window into the soul. Eyes are the first point a person will look at when they're looking at a photo. It's just instinct, I think, because as humans we're used to looking at someone's eyes for indication of the truth, maybe. I don't know, I just made that up. But I think people are drawn to eyes, aren't they? They're the most sort of engaging, interesting part of a picture. That's why people always focus on the eyes when they're doing photography as well. Most sharpness in the eyes, and then the rest of the face could be out focus or something like that. So my tip would be just try and squint the eyes a little bit. We call it smizing. So you kind of smile, but just with the eyes. Try it. Smile, think of something that makes you happy, and relax the mouth. You're just bringing the bottoms of your eyes upwards, so it might feel really weird at first, but practice in the mirror. People can have quite dazed expressions, like, or staring into nothingness, which doesn't create an interesting photo and doesn't make you look confident, but a little squint goes a long way, I tell you that. So you don't have to like squint like a mad person or someone looking for their glasses, but just gently squint, just gently narrow the eyes. It's really subtle, but often the best shots just have that element of subtlety in them. So we've got 3 tips now: space, relaxing face, and squinting of the eyes ever so slightly. So you've gone from hunched shoulders, really awkward face, and maybe staring eyes. I mean, this would be an example of a really bad shoot, but I'm just exaggerating for effect. The 4th tip is one of my favourites. It's kind of a bit of an optical illusion, and it creates space in the face. So it's jutting the chin ever so slightly forward. So you go from sort of a bit of a double chin look to just pushing the head forward ever so slightly, and it just creates that depth in the face and gives an air of confidence, as if you're coming towards the picture. So it's quite intense and engaging. Well, that's the effect I think it creates anyway. So before, after. Before with relaxed face, after with relaxed face. And also it slims you and makes you look younger, which is always a bonus. My last tip is thinking about something about yourself which you like. So that could be, I like how I make people laugh, or something like that. I have nice elbows. Anything you like about yourself, and just think about that whilst you're posing. So it makes you feel confident. It's all about faking it until you make it. That would be my advice of how to portray a more confident look in pictures. So we're going to go through all of them. So creating space in the shoulders. Number 1, relaxed face. Number 2, oh no, we don't want the split fringe, the dreaded split fringe. My fringe is doing all sorts of strange things today, but we'll accept it. The squint. Head slightly forward. Think of something that makes you feel good and confident. And off you go, you've got your picture. Now I'm angling my shoulders slightly to one direction. That also kind of slims the body a bit, particularly if you're a woman and you want to slim yourself. And it kind of creates an interesting angle. So we combine everything, we've got a picture. I hope that's helped you a bit if you haven't had your picture taken before, or you're very new to having your picture taken and you want to portray a confident look. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to Mr. or Miss Confident. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and comment below.